Transport anchor systems have been around for a long time. In wood construction, they consist of two components, a screw, which has a certificate for lifting, so it's a special screw, and the lifting link that is attached to the head of the screw to make a lifting point. So far, so good, nothing new about that. What's also kind of obvious is that we connect the lifting links to the LudwigHooks by closing the hooks and by setting the lifting links into the hooks. The only thing which is really different from standard transport anchor system is this little chain that we attached to the lifting link and that we now connect to the side of the hook. So now, when lifting, we can set down the load, and now the releasing happens in two steps. First step, we release the hook. Not bad, but somebody still needs to climb the load to recover those lifting links. But this is where the little chain comes into play. It's attached at the right spot so that when the crane lifts up again, it'll take the lifting link with it. So this way, we really found a setup where nobody needs to climb the load, neither for releasing nor for getting the lifting links.